Nigeria. Oh, I pledge to Nigeria, my country. Yes, I am back again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you are watching me from. Yes, you are welcome back again to another Ogbonge video. I remain your humble girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, or you've been watching me, you've not subscribed, please today consider hitting that red button where they will subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you will be notified. To all my returning subscribers, thank you very much for tuning in, and to my new subscribers, I officially welcome you into this amazing family. I love you all.
No. Where you go inside? We don't need to go inside. I beg you. We don't need to go inside. But them go come down. Come down. Make them not come.
Focus. We don't need the embassy officials to come to us. We are doing the right thing. We are talking on behalf of the voiceless. Yes. 204 million Nigerians are watching us. Yes. We don't need these little few people, right? They know what to do. We are doing what is best for our country. Yes. We will never stop. We can never be stopped. Yes. The Germans, they've supported us and they've given us all the right to have this free protest. Yes. We can use our voice to liberate a lot of lives. Yes. Don't let us stop it. Let's keep doing what is needful. Yes. Oluwamo, do you have something to say? Yes.
Yeah, take this one.
Hello. Welcome you all today to this protest. Thank you, brothers and sisters. The issue is the embassy has been very partial to us, or like we are not even here because of us. The embassies are here because of us, but it's like they are here because of themselves. What we want them to do now is to just pack and go back home. Yes. Pack and go back home. Pack and go back home. Embassy, pack and go back home. When? Go back. Go back. Consulate. 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 Go back.
Victoria Sata. Victoria Sata. Fire.
And some of us take come out. We are not many, but we are many number here.
Yes.
So the message what we want to say is our.
It's working.
All this fire, Godfatherism.
It must stop.
It must stop.
Yes,
so Godfatherism see the embassy too.
Yes.
Even at the first appointment, since I never see.
Who will go for embassy?
6 months, I never see appointment.
Who knows?
If you don't know who, you not go get appointment.
Yes.
Because una come here, make una come help una people, una come work. If you go German embassy, they go give you appointment. The appointment will
instantly.
As you don't enter there, they will call you.
Instantly.
If you don't go reach 1 hour, you don't come out.
Yes.
Nigerian people, they say if you are a Rome, behave like a Roma.
You are in Germany, behave
When
like
you are in
German.
Germany, behave like a German.
Yes.
You people should not be selling markets.
Yes, sir.
Godfatherism, you people should stop it.
Yes, sir.
I also say what Godfatherism when they Nigeria. When we say this is what person do, they will tell you say now this Godfatherism I help me, I pray because this place. I want to pray for all of you now. All of you now when they do Godfatherism. If you are done all finish, you are children want to burn. They will call the servant to the Godfather, even though they want their money, first go ahead and chopper.
Because of that, consolate. 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 Consolate.
Back and go. My people, I greet all of you now. Good. So, my placard here is embassy appointments not for sale. Because if you don't know anybody in the embassy, you cannot get an appointment.
Shame.
You don't have a godfather,
You can't get a
cannot
Nigerian
have an
passport.
appointment. They want you to be calling them auntie, uncle, daddy, mommy. You are not my mother, my father, my auntie, my uncle.
Yes, so
If you are in Rome, you behave like
give
a
space
Roman.
because of police.
I don't know you. Why
Corona
you
day,
don't
Corona.
Okay.
I mean, if you get together now,
They say we should
we get
go
to the same
online
house,
and
we go
apply
together for
for
the
visa for
go arrest us.
appointment.
when we be still waiting for the same
For
house.
passport renewal, for passport.
Now you go stay away from me.
I did, and I have all the documents here. I applied, followed the rules and everything.
Because artificial website.
Paid my money, they took my money, refused to give me appointment.
Artificial
Since 2
website.
years ago, 2018, I have every document here. I did not get appointment. I did not get passport. My money went into thin air. Somebody's telling me they have somebody there.
Yes.
I called and we started pricing Nigeria embassy appointment like crayfish.
Yes.
Bring 150 euros. Okay, let's go down small. 120. No, Oga, no, 100.
That's crazy.
I said, what is this? Are we pricing our appointments now? I go to German office and I get my
Not
appointment.
anybody's friend.
You walk in and you do your thing. But now we are pricing appointments in Nigeria embassy.
Consolate. Consolate.
Go back home.
Consolate.
Go back home.
Consolate.
Go back home.
Consolate.
Go back home.
Consolate.
Up Nigerians! Up Nigerians!
Up Nigeria.
Yes, today we are gathering here today in because of these our so-called embassy people
Prince.
that are living in Frankfurt here. Now Nigeria is 60 years old.
Yes.
And this is the first time we are doing this in Frankfurt. And we are still saying it now. I believe maybe some of you are in there.
They are
No
there.
problem, you people will still see it.
Oh, no, no hide
We
though.
are giving you people now till the next October 1st again this time
Yes.
to change. If not, anytime we catch you up by Big Mama, we'll start beating you people. Anytime we see anybody that is working in the embassy, we'll start beating you people. So that you people will not back and go to Nigeria. We'll start beating we will start from the ambassador to the secretary that is working there. To even those that they know people before you get your visa.
all of
We
them.
start beating everybody now.
Until you people
So
change.
that everywhere will spread and everybody will know that they will change things.
Yes.
We are giving you both immediate.
How do I something? What if you don't use the monkeys? You don't need that. Huh?
You need to pronounce the name.
You go calm down.
To Nigerian embassy, they will be driving you out like a goat. Yes. Because you don't know what you don't know too.
It must
And
stop.
this is the reason why we are giving you both this deadline.
Yes.
Try it and do the change. You will see beating. Nigeria here we are still crazy too. We will
Yes.
beat you people.
Yes.
We will store you. Ambassador will destroy your motor. We will beat those people that know you. You will come and buy a bottle of soup to your Big Mama. You will come to Nollywood. We will catch people. We will beat people. We will beat people. So that the government police will come and be settling us.
Yes.
They will not start telling them what is going on.
Consolate.
That is it. Consolate.
Consolate. Consolate. Consolate. Consolate. Consolate. Consolate.
Victoria Sata. Now.
Welcome everybody here today, and we are here at the Nigerian Consulate. Normally, the
Frankfurt.
embassy.
Yes.
But what we found out here is that the consulate, they are doing MMM with us. When we want appointment, we don't get it on time.
Yes.
Anyway, that's here. Another thing why we are here is that we want equal rights and justice in Nigeria, because without justice, nothing can work. Without justice, there will be no peace for Buhari. So if you are there, you are supposed to represent us. So send this message.